So hey guys, I'm just gonna get ready. This little video is gonna be like my Monday at university. It's currently the 2nd of December, 8:51. The bus is in 10 minutes, so I'm gonna be a little bit late. So one thing I want to show you guys before I left was this. This is needed. This is a board that has things that I need to do. So we have Duke of Edinburgh. I need to finish it. Photoshop, I need to learn it. Insta, icon, I need to make sure my Insta looks proper. Music, I need to record songs that I have not recorded yet. And Res Life, I need to apply. And this is my rent, so I don't forget. This is when they're gonna charge me and how much extra I have to put on. Very important. And while we're here, I might as well show this. Kratos. Don't be sorry, be better. So hey guys, just on my way to catch the bus. Run a bit late, but we move. So this is one of the reasons I say Dorchester's the best. I've got 2 minutes, and I've got to get up to Dorchester bus stop. Got the bus. So literally just outside, and we're at the first stop. Meaning, there's always spaces, and rotted. My bag's open. As I said, back home.
12. I'm a much.